Facial hair behaves differently from scalp hair. It is thicker, grows in multiple directions, and sits closer to the skin, making absorption more sensitive and uneven if not applied properly. First, over-application of product. Using too much formula increases the chance of skin contact, which can lead to visible staining and uneven results. Second, no barrier protection on skin. Without a light protective layer around the application area, the product may spread beyond the stubble zone. Third, poor distribution technique. Applying without sectioning or control leads to patchy absorption, where some hairs take in more product than others. A more controlled, thin layer application with proper spacing helps improve accuracy and reduces staining. Mayraki Anti-Grey is designed with a smooth, easy-to-spread formulation that supports more even application when used with correct technique. With the right method, applying treatment to facial stubble becomes cleaner and more effective, helping achieve natural-looking results with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.